Sanitizing tunnel from FusionTech with all the specifications. So this will be the entirely SS body. This structure only. This one is second machine, second unit. So it's having a motor here and panel here. So this is 3 by 3 by 7. Let's get inside. And this is the sensor here. So this is entry. Once you enter it, the fog will start. Look at the fog. You got the 8 nozzle here. And you can set the timings wherever you want, 5 seconds, 10 seconds until it gets sanitized. So this is the sanitizing tunnel from FusionTech. You can contact us on this number.